All right, guys, Jesse and Eric here. We're going to talk about the lateral hinge and the common mistakes that we see. So we're going to go pull right into one, Eric. And notice, pause. He's loading out into the quad here. This is a lateral hinge, not a side lunge. So what I'm going to have him do is start to pull this knee back and focus on reaching that left hip further back than the right. So he's reaching back. Pull yourself to center. Go slow and controlled now into a nice lateral hinge. Left hip back, right hand forward. Notice this left hip is reaching further back than the right. There's a subtle shift over here, but he's got tension in the back of that left leg. We've got length and activation on the right as he pulls away. Anything you want to add?
What you're looking for in a lateral hinge is two contractions. One of them is a concentric, a hold, where the glute of the hinged hip is just hanging on, absorbing the vast majority of your body weight. The other contraction is an eccentric, a lengthening contraction at the opposite adductor. You know you're doing it right when you pull to one side, you get a stretch and a contraction. A stretch and a contraction. That's what you're looking for in the lateral hinge.
A stretch and a contraction. Focus on those 2 points. The next time you practice, check in. See if you're that person loading the quad or finding the stretch and the contraction. Enjoy the practice, guys.